Okay, so we are going to do a master reset on a hybrid 220 vacuum system from Hypervac. So the first thing you got to do is take the board. This is basically a switch plate, and on the back of it will be your drive. So first thing we got to do is take the screws out and remove it. Okay, so once we've got all the screws out of the switch plate, so we can remove the plate out of the vacuum, you'll want to power up the vacuum again. Okay, and basically do a master reset. In the top left corner, there's an M button, so you hit mode, and you'll show double zeros on the LED screen. You want to unlock it. To unlock the drive, the code is 225. So use these number keys here, or the arrow keys, and push up until you get up to 225. Takes a little bit. There we go. So now we're on 225. Hit the M button again, the mode button, and it'll take you to the P, which means parameter 1. So parameter 01, P01. Take that up to P48, parameter 48. Hit mode again. It'll take you to the number screen again. And for P48, you want 4. So 04 for a 60 hertz vacuum, 05 for a 50 hertz vacuum. Hit mode again, and the hertz are set. What'll come up on the screen is 3 little dots. And then what you're going to have to do, now the remote is basically unattached with the drive. So the rest of the parameters, you basically have to reattach the remote to the drive, and to do that you need to access the drive itself. So we're going to take this plate right out of the vacuum. Just be gentle because there is power hooked up. You don't want to rip out any wires or anything while you're taking it out. So just be as gentle as possible and flip that board up on top of the vacuum like so. So you're going to hit mode. There's 3 little buttons here. You got your arrows to control up or down, and then the mode button again. Get yourself a mini little screwdriver. Hit the mode button. It'll show P48. So you know we've already done this from the front of the drive. So just hit mode again. It'll show 4. Hit mode again, and basically that locks it in. There'll be a line of 3 dots here. Hit mode again, it'll take you back to P48. Then you use the arrow keys, and the first parameter for the remote is P11. So take it down to P11, hit mode again. The number screen will come up. The P11 parameter is 13. Let's go up to 13. It probably won't let you go past 13 anyway, but 13, hit mode again. 3 little dots will come up on the screen. Hit mode again. You'll see P11. Take that to P12. Hit mode again. The number screen again is up. The P12 is 21. Take it up to 21. Hit mode again. 3 dots come up. Mode again. P12 comes up. Take that to P14. Mode. P14 is 2. Hit mode again. 3 dots will come in. The codes are locked in. So basically everything should be reset the way that it came from us. So now we're going to put the board back in. Okay. So when you're putting the board back in, again, be gentle. You might want to check to make sure that the motor wire is kind of off to the right side of the vacuum. And basically the best way to do it is put the bottom in first and then the top. should go in pretty easy. So just use the arrow key. It'll say 20. Basically, that's where it will start. You just turn the dial right up to wherever you want it. So basically, when I start it up, I turn it right up to 60, which is maximum power. And you're all set.